What's going on, guys? Josh Motorless here. So I'm going to refilm a McDonald's commercial that I saw, and I've been wanting to do this for a while because I'm trying to push some more of the production side of my company going into 2021. So I'm gonna try really hard to really up the ante with the videography that I'm doing, and of course monetize my YouTube channel. But check it out. I went to McDonald's and I ordered 2 McRibs, and I ordered them plain. I ordered everything on the side, and the manager was very accommodating. I told him what I was doing, and he said it'll just take a little bit longer, but they put it together for me. So let's check this out. All right, so here we go. We got the plain McRib. It's just dry, nothing on there. We got the buns, and I ordered 2 of them, so in case I mess one up. Now, the important part here is having those little sesame seeds. And then, of course, the onions. Here's some pickles. I'm not sure if they're usable, but we're going to try it. And then also here is the barbecue sauce. That might not be enough barbecue sauce, but if not, then I can put my own on there. Now, the only thing I'm missing is the actual wrapping of the sandwich. And apparently, there's no wrapping in the sandwich, but there is in the commercial because it's lying down on it. But we're gonna use a piece of butcher paper and figure it out. But let's go film this thing. Let's go. All right, so it turns out that I don't have enough barbecue sauce. They didn't obviously fill it up enough, so I have to use my buddy's the jank sauce to finish it. And let's check it out. Let's go. Let's put this right here, and let's get this started. This is my little setup. I have a lamp right here that I use for my podcasting and my video for my actual office. So let's get this going. This is McDonald's, and I need 2 shots on this one, which is a overhead shot of this, and then a shot of it pouring from a ladle. So stay tuned. And I also forgot to show you, all I'm using for the background is a poster board, a red poster board that I got at the dollar store. So, all right, so this next part is we're just putting together the McRib so we can see what it looks like. And for reference, of course, we are got that right there. Bun. Our McRib, and then we put some of the pickles right outside. Let me clean this up. What does it have? On right here, and that should complete our McRib. Cool. All right, so now I'm gonna do the voiceover part for the little spot that I'm making. But the cool thing about this is I'm a podcaster too, so I have podcast equipment, which is what I'll show you right now. But also keep in mind that I sang for many years in a band years ago, so I was able to learn how to sing like different people, which I was able to learn how to make different voices, I guess, which I didn't know would be beneficial down the line, but here we are today, and I get to do these types of things and incorporate it all together to make something cool like this.
The McRib sandwich. Some people hate it, some people love it. But there's no denying that once you take your first bite of that porky goodness, crispy onions and pickles, this is the most important sandwich of the year.
I think that's good enough.
The McRib sandwich. Some people hate it, some people love it. But there's no denying that once you take your first bite of that porky goodness, crispy onions and pickles. This is the most important sandwich of the year.